What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard sound in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. Now in sounds and vibration, tap on system sound, and here you will see a Samsung keyboard button. So if you want to turn off Samsung keyboard sound, then turn off this button, and if you want to turn on the Samsung keyboard sound, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So with this button you can turn on or turn off Samsung keyboard sound in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.